What's up guys, I'm here again with an amazing video. Recently I decided to set up a Cash App account on my device but was unable to get the precise app on the Google Play Store because of no existence of Cash App in my country. But after some maneuvers and research, I found a genuine and reliable platform to get apps that can be found on the Google Play Store. So in this video, I'm going to show you a platform that enables you to download APK apps and get them installed on your device with ease. In the quest to accomplish this, you have to launch a reliable search engine. I recommend Google. So you launch your Google. So what you wanna do from here now, you have to type APK Monk. So after you type APK Monk, you search for it. I'm gonna leave the site link in the description below. Check out the description for the site link. So this is it, APK Monk. You tap on it. So you can see from here there are list of apps, numerous apps here. So let's search for Cash App. You can see is the Cash App app is here. So any apps that you are actually looking for, you can find it on this platform, so there's no need to worry. All you have to do is to follow the instructions step by step and everything will go according to purpose. See you on my next video. Bye for now.